As you know, we're getting ready to kick off the M-Cube Detox experience. That's mold, metals, and microbes from treatment to recovery with support. I am so excited that starting on September 20th through December 6th, we are going to take this journey together. I'm telling you, this is new for me too. So I'm going to be a student in the classroom, learning from all the experts. Dr. Lee Cowden is facilitating this wonderful event. And today in the classroom, we had Dr. Ashley Biscoe of Attune Medical. She has been so instrumental helping me open my eyes to what are some of the things that the body, the symptoms that the body, the whispers of the body and what they could become. And what started with an Epstein-Barr, kind of like, oh, okay, this is how I test it. And this is from one of her videos that she had, to, finding out that I did, and then discovering that there could be mold in my body and that mold reactivates Epstein-Barr. This has been such a wonderful experience for me in the sense that community, it takes a village. And we know what we know, but we don't know what we don't know. And we're going to be bringing the experts to talk about how we can reduce the toxic overload in our body. So today's teacher was Dr. Ashley Biscoe, and I want to encourage you to watch today's class, share today's class, share in your chronic illness support groups, in your mold or metals or microbes or MS, lupus, diabetes, cancer, share in all those, depression, anxiety, all those groups. Share that there's could be one of the reasons why you're not getting better. It could be the M-cubed combination, metals, mold, and microbes. So check out the conversation today. And while you're there, go to whenyouneedafriend.com and make sure that you subscribe, because when you subscribe, you get the newsletter once a week and you'll get all the classes, the audio, the podcast will be shipped to your email address. If you want, if you don't, just opt out of getting that. But if you want to get find out who's going to be in the classroom and their direct link to their clinic, then you are welcome to not only become a subscriber, but you can also subscribe to and like and follow my social media, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, Odyssey, BitChute, and now you can watch the class live at whenyouneedafriend.com. So many different ways to take your health back. So please consider joining us today. September 6th is the last day that you'll get a $50 off the course, the 12-week course, which 10 weeks of that, we're going to be doing a detox, and we're going to be learning about nutraceuticals and how to test and how to remediate and your home and making your home a safe haven. So please consider joining us and share it and tag your friends and let them know that we are taking our health back right away today. Please remember, I'll be right here waiting for you worldwide at whenyouneedafriend.com. Oh, and by the way, if you cannot attend the 7 o'clock classes on Tuesdays from September 20th to December 6th, then it's all going to be recorded. So you can at least watch the videos at your discretion. This is Lillian McDermott wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Mwah.